Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today I have a little video, brand new barrel as you can see here from IbI. It's a 22-inch Olympic schnuble barrel. And I just put it on. I haven't zeroed nothing. I just want to see if point of impact changes at 50 yards compared to the stock barrel I removed. Going to be shooting target rifle, RWS stuff to start off. Let's see what it does. And then it's another 2 inches longer than the stock barrel, so I'm hoping to get the velocities a little bit lower too, keep them all subsonic. And let's see what it does. First round out of the barrel here. Extremely hot, humid out. So I have a 3-inch sticky down there. I'm going to aim dead center, see where the impact is, and make an adjustment from there. And then I'll shoot a couple of groups, see what it does. Basically a full headwind coming straight to us. See what we can do. Okay, that was low. Just gonna keep going. The old last round kick up. So the first round out of the tube went a bit low. That's fine. It started regrouping, and all I had to do is go about 0.4 mils to the right to get back on dead center from the factory barrel to the IbI pre-fit barrel. All right, that was the first 10 rounds through this barrel. First one was extremely low. The rest kind of starting to group up. But let's get another 10 through it. I decided I'm going to shoot 50 just to foul in this barrel and see how it tightens up. Go from there. I'll move my impacts over right, 0.4. Okay, now I'll shoot a 10-shot group with the small sticky. Okay, before I sweat to death here, let's get 10 on the target. Well, had a few that dropped low there, but not looking bad. Maybe I'll go up 1 mil, do another 10-shot group. That group was looking not too bad for a 10-shot group. Remember, this is a low round count barrel. That was shots 30 through 40. Looking pretty promising. And this is not the best ammo either. I have lots of other way higher shelf stuff, so let's see what it can do. Okay, go back down to 0. And I'll go low 1 mil this time. And do another 10-shot group. Oh, I pulled that one. Well, as we could see from the first few shots, they were in the low 900s and stuff, and then they jumped up to about 10, 20, 10, 30, and that's where they kind of evened out after the 50 shots were taken. I've got the Crony data up above here right now, so you can see the first one, standard deviation from the first 50 rounds was 26.7, but as you can see, with a minimum of 904 and a max of 1070, we had a huge spread there, so extreme spread is 166. Average velocity is 1023, and after a while it started to settle in. So as you can see in the next set of Crony data, from shot 51 to 70, the extreme spread and standard deviation dropped a hell of a lot. From my experience with 22s as well, once you get the barrel like a couple hundred rounds through it, it starts to balance out even more. So basically this is a brand new virgin barrel and we just started it, so let's see what happens. We're going to try a bunch of different ammos through it and we'll make a bunch of new videos. Alright guys, so we'll see you in the next video.